primordial level has ingrained some level of consciousness on an infinitesimal level.
So big subjects. So this is kind of the roughness.
I like it.
Thank you.
What about sleeping? Do you have particularly
Psyche, whether it is suppressed or not suppressed. So studying in
And you know, in science they have these jargon, I call it verbosity
of sound. What is sound? What causes sound? Why do we hear sound? Why?
Horizon. This has to do with the relationship with the melatonin, your pineal gland, your circadian rhythm. When insomnia,
a narrative in a universe that's
So in art, you have something called composition.
sound. What is amplitude, frequency, velocity? Why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective. Like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception.
Trajectory that occurs.
Look in cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas.